Hello guys, welcome to Fun Logger. Today I am going to show you how to download Instagram videos, highlights, IGTV videos, etc. with music without any software. So let's get started. First, open the Google search engine. Type Story Saver. Click on this download Instagram story and highlights. This window will appear. Now go to your Instagram account. Search for the person whose Instagram story and highlighted video which you want to download. But make sure that the relevant account must be public. I will show you how to download her Insta stories as well as IGTV stories. First, copy this link and paste it in given field. And click on this download button. You will see all the Instagram stories as well as highlights which the person has on its account. So further you can simply start the download process simply by clicking the save as video link or save as photo link below the story. So if I will show you this video, just click on save as video. This will start automatically. Now if you want to download the highlights of that person, just click on this show highlights. All highlights will appear here. That is, if you want to download this highlight, then click on this show highlights. Just follow the same procedure, save as video, it will start download. Then now if you want to download IGTV video, just click on this IGTV tab, select the video which you want to download, follow the same procedure, copy this link and paste it in a given field. This IGTV video will appear here. Just click save as video button. This has been downloaded. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel. That really motivates me to create amazing videos. Thank you so much.